Hello, Jim. Tech Post new product is in, and this is from Xsense, and it's a Wi-Fi smoke alarm. It's really cool, and it's the XS03WX. They have a couple of different versions, and this is what it looks like here. So let's take it out of the box and have a look. So first off, you get the product itself. You then get your user guide, and you get your extended warranty stuff. You get some screws to mount. Let's have a look. And that's it there. So you've got a test button on the side. This looks like your Wi-Fi connectivity. This is what it looks like inside here. So you've got a battery included, which is cool. So this works off a 2.4 gigahertz connection. You've got your app, which you can control stuff on it. You've got an 85 decibel buzzer, instant notifications, easy installation, and good quality material. So it is a little bit smaller than your average smoke alarm in the house, or whatever the case is, but on trend they seem to be getting smaller, but that's what it looks like there. So we're going to get it set up, test it out for a bit, come back to you, show you the app and all that kind of stuff, and we'll have a full review of it. Then you can see what you're getting when you, or if you decide to pick one of these up. So we'll talk to you soon, so stay tuned for that. Hello, Simple Tech Buzz. We're back with the Xsense Wi-Fi smoke detector, and we tested it out for a couple of days. We're going to have a look at the app now in a minute and let you see what it's all about. So basically, this is a smart device for your home. You can share it with other friends and family as well. You can control the unit from your smartphone, and it's instant notification. Nice quality materials, as you would have seen in the unboxing. You've got your app control and an 85 decibel buzzer. Okay, so let's have a look at the app and show you what's happening inside. So you'll set up your house. Then you can add more than one device if you want, which is quite handy. And in here you can see you've got full battery, you've got sharing options, your signal, and into your settings. So that's all the settings that you have in there. So you've got your device test, device malfunction, silence, low battery, alarm ended, alarm triggered, all that kind of stuff in there. You have these notifications on here. You can share the device here like so, and that's what will happen there, and someone else can join in, if just in case if you're away or something like that. You can have someone in there just in case something goes wrong. Then you can mute the device down to the bottom. Device information is all in there, update the data software and all that kind of stuff there. You can create rooms, and then you have your history in here like so. And you can see that we done a test there earlier on just to hear it going off, and you can silence it from your smartphone. So up here is a filter, and you can pop filters in there and just press save, and then all your dates of alarms will pop under here. You can see, say yesterday there was no event recorded, or for the last couple of days using it because it hasn't went off. So that's pretty much it. So into your account, you've got manage your homes, works with Amazon Alexa as well. You can also make it work with Google Assistant, and you've got an alarm sound, so you can turn that off in there and turn it on here. So we're going to do a live test for you, just so you can see. So you want to turn down your volume if you're listening with earbuds. I'm just going to blow some smoke into it, which I don't like doing smoking, but I'm trying to quit them. There you go. So you can see it's going off there. And there you can see the alarm going off there. And that's how it works. Simple as that. Notifications will pop up there, and that's it, and job is done. So in all honesty, and you know, it's not an expensive device to have. This is just how it works. It's as simple as that, and it's pretty quick as well. And what I like about it is how fast the notification gets to your smartphone. Now I did this, tested it on the road today, and to see how quick it get here, and it worked really fast as well, which is excellent. So that's basically it in a nutshell, what you're going to get. It's going to cost you about 40 quid, but at the end of the day, it's 40 quid well spent if you want to, you know, keep your home safe. and that's what you get to it. Now we'll only connect to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi just to put you into the speed with that, because a lot of IoT things at home are only work with 2.5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, but that's it. But also you've got a 5-year warranty and you've got free shipping as well, which is pretty good. And that's pretty much it. You know, the app is easy to use and set up as you see in there, no problems at all. And you can silence it, share it with your friends, and that's really about it. You can also check it as well if you need to do so, which is fine. And you've got a good battery as well, which is pretty good, and it'll cover around 215 to 430 square feet. Excuse me. And operate between 40 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's it, and that's a nice little product to have. And they do also have other products as well. Do check them out. Apps do work on Android and iOS, and we tested it on Android. As you can see, that it worked fine, and that's it there. You can see our name registered in the account. We test all our stuff here. We don't give you stock image reviews. You let you see what goes on, and particularly with apps, which is important as people like to know what's going on. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.